Hello and welcome to my brand new channel, Quest to Code. It's a channel that's going to be dedicated to me learning how to program a language. So I've always wanted to learn some kind of programming language, but I've never really had the inspiration or had the motivation to really go for it and commit to it. So I've made this channel to give me a chance to learn a programming language. I've picked Python, and I want to live stream myself learning it real time on the internet. So I'll be streaming the live streams on mixer.com. So you can find me mixer.com/quest to code. And then after the event, I'll be uploading the live stream videos to YouTube. I probably will cut the audio out, and I'll just put an audio track over the top of them, just so you can watch me sitting in front of the PC. You'll see my screen, and then you can follow along. So hopefully it gives you some motivation to see someone learning from day one. I mean, I absolutely am from day one. You know, I've got some very basic knowledge, but I don't even have Python installed. So you'll see me install Python. I'll be following a video course on Udemy. I'll also be doing some series where I'll be following some ebooks and some physical books. Anything I think is great and useful, I'll let you know. The things that I'm finding helpful, I'll do little videos like this just to let you know. And that's kind of it. So I just wanted to introduce myself. My name's Richard, and hopefully 2020 can be the year, by the end of it, that I learn a programming language. And I'm hoping to maybe create a small game, some like useful apps for calculating things, anything I can kind of think of really. That is the aim. So really hope you join me, follow along with me. You can follow me on Mixer, like I said, to get notifications when I go live. You can join me in the chat, and if you've got any ideas or questions you want to ask me in the live stream, then please jump in, ask me questions. You can follow me on Twitter, Instagram, same handle, Quest to Code, and hopefully I'll see you there. I'm looking forward to it. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.